Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream at home without cream. You will learn two fantastic methods to create light, airy, and delicious whipped toppings using simple, readily available ingredients. These alternatives are perfect for those seeking dairy-free options or simply wanting to try something new. Get ready to transform your desserts with these easy-to-follow instructions, achieving a delightful texture and taste that rivals traditional whipped cream. Let's dive into these innovative techniques for a sweet treat. Our first method uses full-fat coconut milk. Begin by chilling 1 can of full-fat coconut milk in your refrigerator overnight. This helps the cream separate. Carefully scoop out the thick, solid cream from the top, leaving the watery liquid behind. Transfer this cream to a cold mixing bowl. Using a hand mixer, whip the coconut cream for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful flavor. Next, let's explore making whipped topping with aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas. Drain 1 standard 15-ounce can of chickpeas, reserving all the liquid. Pour this aquafaba into a clean, cold mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer on high speed, whip the aquafaba for 5 to 10 minutes until stiff peaks form. For added stability, incorporate a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar during the whipping process. Finally, gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, continuing to whip until well combined. For the best results with either method, ensure all your mixing bowls and whisks are completely clean and grease-free. Using very cold ingredients, especially for the coconut cream, will significantly improve your whipping volume and texture. Once prepared, store your homemade whipped topping in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. These versatile, cream-free options are perfect for topping pies, cakes, hot beverages, or enjoying straight from the bowl. Enjoy your delicious, dairy-free creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.